These are the PBS Kids Family and Community Learning Workshops. These provide families the opportunity to explore STEM concepts in a whimsical, very fun way.
It's a series of 4 workshops where we get parents and kids together to engage in science inquiry and engineering design.
At every workshop, we follow the same format. We eat, we explore, we play, and we share out.
We are focusing on both the caregivers and the children because we want them to learn in partnership.
When families are invested in children's learning, research tells us that they are better off academically, they're better off socially and emotionally, and also they graduate high school at a higher rate.
Hi, Love! We're here to help. What do you want us to do?
I need to make a rhino-sized raincoat out of some kind of material I can find in this house.
PBS Kids Media is the base of everything that we do. It's a perfect kicking off point.
PBS Kids characters are very good models for the science inquiry and engineering design process.
They're always making observations, asking questions, and they talk you through that process.
The higher sounding gong is smaller.
That's about the size of it.
The multi-generational idea is to bring the whole family unit into a session.
It can be any family member. It can be grandparents, aunts and uncles, even older brothers and sisters.
These workshops make the parents see a different light or a different side of learning. The light bulb goes off to say, oh, I can do this at home.
He asked me the other day, he's like, Mom, I want to do an experiment. Now he's like obsessed with it. So it's awesome.
These workshops really do give families the confidence that they can learn together, and it's not just something that takes place at school. It's something that can happen in their homes.